In the beginning, it was a learning experiment, and now it's become more of a journey because every time I do it, I learn something else. That's one of the coolest parts for me. Hi, I'm Tom Whitehead. I am the brewer at Hairy Guys Brewing and one of the owners here. Welcome to Hairy Guys Brewing. When we started to do this originally, it was just for us, for our own consumption. And then when we opened up here, we kind of opened it up for some locals as well that we're friends with, and then we expanded a little bit more to some more folks that would come in and ask for certain styles of beers. So now we're expanding a little bit, expanding the palette out from what we were originally just doing. We're trialing out some different things, which is interesting. Some things have been good, some things have been experiments, so to speak, but we're getting there.
We hope that the very serious beer people enjoy the beers, but we're also brewing it for people that aren't so well versed on the craft beer ideas, and I think we've kind of accomplished that happy medium. My name's Tim Benio, and I am a Hairy Guy. The Jim Thorpe Pale Ale, that's my regular beer. It's hoppy, but not IPA hoppy. This beer, it's light enough, and it's low enough alcohol that when I'm here for the entire day, I don't have to leave early.
The Hefeweizen that's up there right now, it's light, smooth, always love a good wheat beer. Pours great, Cascade's fantastic, just a solid, good IBU wheat beer. The other one is the Weiss Porter. That one is got like a great coffee finish, a little bit of chocolate in it.
It makes everything worthwhile, all the couple years, or well, the many years that we've planned this and practiced this, that was a fun part too. Practicing making beer. The people that come in, that's why we're doing it, to make them happy and have a community area where we've had baby showers in here, 80-year-old birthday parties their family used to live in the building. Yeah, the community part is fantastic. That makes me very happy.